Okay, if you're like me, filing taxes isn't exactly something I would say is enjoyable, but it has to be done, and there are places you can get help for free. 27 First News reporter James Santelli tells you how. The story's new at 6.
For YSU business students, tax season means helping people out with their returns, from 1099 to W-2.
The first person didn't bring last year's return with her, which is a lot easier for us to do it if they bring last year's return. But we were still able to do it, no problem.
Today was the first of 9 events where anyone can come in for free assistance on income taxes. Just be sure to bring your ID.
Probably the biggest area that we see errors in for our returns are rejections because of a Social Security number or even a birth date that's wrong.
The biggest change in taxes this year is with health insurance and the Affordable Care Act.
If you have coverage through the marketplace, the government should send you a Form 1095 that you should be bringing in while you get your taxes done.
If they had full coverage for the entire year, it's a lot easier. If it was, they only had coverage for 3 months, 4 months, then it gets a little more complicated.
Remember, it is still February. Professor Schaefer says to only start once you get all your forms in from 2014.
Don't try to rush into things if you don't think you have all your information, but just gather all your information, make sure everything's reported, and just take your time and work through it. That's the biggest thing.
And if you get stuck, just head to YSU any Saturday through April 11th. They'll lend a hand. James Santelli, WKBN 27 First News.
And as you prepare your taxes this year, keep in mind that if you don't play by the rules, you could be in big trouble. The head of the IRS is advising taxpayers when using a tax preparer, the mere suggestion of falsifying documents to reduce tax bills or inflate tax refunds could be a huge red flag. Now, if you are caught trying to lie on a return, expect to pay up. You could pay and be fined up to $5,000. Bottom line, never let anyone talk you into claiming deductions or credits to which you're not allowed to have. And never let others file a false return on your behalf.